Hey guys, what's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm super duper excited to partner with the Home Depot to share with you guys how to create your own DIY holiday hanging planter. This would make the perfect gift for the holidays, especially because right now in the current environment, homemade gifts makes the holiday season even more sentimental, and it also keeps the cost down. So I think doing a DIY holiday hanging planter is the perfect gift. You guys know how much I love DIY projects, and y'all also know how much I love plants and floral inside and outside of my home. Like, y'all know that's like my thing. So I cannot wait to share with you guys this holiday hanging planter. I have my red sweater on. I'm feeling the holiday spirit, and yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Everything that I will be using in today's video was found at the Home Depot. So you can visit your local Home Depot, or you can always just shop homedepot.com. So first you will need a planter of your choice. I will be using this simple black plastic hanging planter. You will also need some spray paint. So the spray paint that I decided to go for my holiday hanging planter is this Pearl Mist spray paint, as well as this apple red spray paint. These both can spray on practically any material: wood, metal, plastic, and more. So you should be good to go. I decided to go with more holiday, festive colors, so red and white. But whatever, of course, again, fits your style. Home Depot has plenty of spray paint and paint options to choose from for you. And then I also grabbed a glue gun. This is like my handy dandy go-to craft tool. You can do so much with a hot glue gun, and so I just got this hot glue gun, and I got some mini glue sticks to go with it. Now for my plants, I got a lot of like different green plants. I got a few of the asparagus ferns. These are cute, and I love like the height and the width of these. You kind of want to change it up. That also will give some depth and some dimension to your holiday planters. So you guys will see I have different sizes that I will be going for. So yeah, I have some asparagus ferns. I also have this plant here. This one is a prim fern. This one is a lot bigger, a lot more fuller. So I'll be playing around with those, jazzing it up and seeing, what works as far as height goes. And I also got some faux decor as well. So I did pick up these like red leaves. You guys know for the holidays, red is in, like red is the color. I also got some good old pine cones. I love how pine cones smell, especially during the holidays. It just makes the house just smell so much more festive. Even like if you put your planter outside, it makes that outside area feel so much more festive. So I definitely had to grab pine cones from Home Depot. And I also grabbed some burlap. I grabbed a roll of burlap from Home Depot, and I just cut off a small thin piece, and this will be used as a burlap ribbon. And then last but not least, I have some sticks. It may seem weird to look at first, but you guys will see it all come together at the very end. These sticks actually came in like a Halloween broom set, but I figured, you know what? I can make this work for the holidays. So I just broke some sticks off, and we are going to have a lot of fun with just these basic brown sticks. It may seem like a little bit chaotic right now, but trust me, it'll all come together in the end. So that is pretty much all you'll need for your planter. Of course, you'll need some potting soil. I've got a huge bag at Home Depot, super affordable, and that will also help the plants sit within the planter. Now it's time for the fun to begin. So I'm going to push everything aside for right now. Like all the decorations will go to the side. All of the plants will go to the side, because first things first, we are going to be spray painting the planter red. Right now, this is a simple black planter, nothing fancy, and it's not screaming holiday vibes just yet, but that is coming. I will be spray painting the planter this apple red color. So I'm going to take this project outside and spray paint the planter red. And just to take it up a notch, you guys remember those sticks that I was telling you guys about earlier, like all of these brown sticks? We are going to be spray painting these, and that is where the Pearl Mist spray paint comes into play. so the spray painting is done. This is how our planter is looking. It is mighty red. Definitely a much more holiday appropriate color for a planter. So I made sure to get pretty much everywhere in the planter. I didn't get like too deep in there because granted, you won't be able to actually see inside the planter since there will be things in there. But I definitely made sure to get every spot outside of the planter. And I just love the color, you guys. It's so pretty. And here are our branches, our little sticks. They went from just a simple brown color to this beautiful like pearly white color. So I'm going to let both the planter as well as the sticks air dry since they are still wet. I want to make sure that everything is 100% dry before I start to decorate and put everything inside the planter. So I will let that air dry and do its thing for a few hours, and then once everything is dry, I will come back and we will finish it off. All right, y'all, so we are back and both the planter and the sticks are 100% dry. This is how our apple red planter is looking. I love the color. It's definitely matching with my sweatshirt, but I just love how bright and bold and red the planter is. Here are our sticks, you guys. So I told you guys it was like a pearl mist spray paint, so it's definitely like a pearly white color, almost silvery, but it's so pretty. It sparkles. I think it'll look great in the red planter. But before we start to add in all of our floral into the planter, I want to jazz the planter up just a little bit more. So I mentioned earlier that I had some burlap, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of tie the burlap around the planter just to give it a little bit more of like that farmhouse feel, or give it a little bit more oomph, add some color and texture there. And yeah, so let's go ahead. You guys see I have my strip of burlap, and then I will be using my handy dandy glue gun. That is what this is for, is to help me secure the burlap to the planter. The burlap ribbon, but I thought, why not just add like a cute Christmas saying to the planter as well. So I remember that I also purchased these Sharpie pens from Home Depot. They are just a regular white Sharpie paint pen, you guys see here. And I just remembered that I had it laying around my house, but I thought, why not add like the words "'Tis the season" or some kind of cute Christmas saying to the planter. So I'm gonna try my best to make this look as cute as possible. My handwriting isn't the best, but I think that's what makes these types of DIY home gifts even more sentimental. I mean, it's coming from you, so if it feels like you and it feels like it's coming from you, that makes it even more special. But yeah, let's give it a try and see how it goes. This is how our planter is looking. I love it, you guys. I even decided to be a little bit extra and add just a dash of artwork. So this is an ornament. I hope it looks like one, but it's supposed to be an ornament. And then I also decided to add a Christmas tree right there, just to give it a little bit more holiday flavor. I always think doing things that really make it feel more festive and just holiday-ish. So I love it. I love how the tis the season looks on the planter. It's definitely giving me Christmas vibes. So I hope you guys are feeling it. I'm trying to tell you guys, Home Depot really is the place to get all of your DIY project needs to keep your spirits up and your stress down. Like, just being able to get everything that I needed for this project all at one store just made the process so much easier, so much smoother, and so much more convenient. And I truly am loving how this planter is coming along. So yeah, Home Depot is really the place to go. Now we are going to get into the fun part. You guys know how much I love creating flower arrangements, anything plant related. You guys know I genuinely love it. And so we are about to get into adding all of our plants, our sticks, our pine cones, our red leaves, all of it into our planter. And honestly, you guys, the way I do it is just a trial and error kind of way. It's just the easiest way to do it, to kind of just start adding stuff and seeing what happens, what goes, what doesn't go, and kind of fill it in from there. I start with the tall stuff first, start filling it in, and then slowly but surely start to fill it in with more of our pine cones and our red leaves. So let's get ready to get our hands dirty and get creative. So I am done with my DIY holiday hanging planter. I seriously love how it came out. It's definitely giving me like winter forest vibes. I love it. I cannot wait to give this to somebody for the holidays, and especially if you have someone that you know that is really into plants and like floral, this would definitely be a great Christmas gift to give to them, to keep costs low but still keep your gift super sentimental and just special for that special somebody. Again, this is our completed holiday planter. Give you guys one more look at this beauty. I'm obsessed with the branches. They just like sparkle, and the way they sparkle against like the red planter is just so cute. And on top of that, y'all, everything smells so good. Guys, don't forget to check out Home Depot. Whether you're shopping at your local Home Depot or shopping homedepot.com, they are the perfect place to go to for all of your DIY projects. And the best part about Home Depot is that they not only provide gift ideas, but also step-by-step instructions on how to do so. So if you are in the holiday spirit and really want to tap into your creative side and do some DIY holiday projects, I will be sure to leave a link down below for the step-by-step instructions on how to not only complete this gift idea, but many others as well. So check out the link down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye guys.